Titration is a technique in which a solution with a known concentration is slowly added to an unknown solution with a known volume until it reaches a neutralization point. This is also indicated by a color change. Titration helps us determine the concentration of the unknown solution. The solution with the known concentration is called a titrant, while the unknown solution with the known volume is called an analyte. To determine the concentration of the unknown solution, the volume of the analyte must be recorded. Also, the initial and the final volume of the titrant must be recorded when the unknown solution indicates the presence of an indicator or completely changes color. This signals the end of the reaction. A meniscus is the curved upper surface of a solution. You must be at an eye level to accurately measure the volume of the solution. Always measure the lowest portion of the convex dip of the solution. The meniscus formed because the molecules of the solution are more attracted to the glass than to each other, a property known as adhesion. When measuring the volume, always record to 2 decimal places. In this example provided, the volume of the solution is 6.71 milliliters. Prior to the experiment, make sure to construct a table to properly record your initial and final volume. Before you start, the burette must be rinsed with water 3 times and also primed with a titrant 3 times. This ensures that the water will not dilute the titrant when it's poured in the burette. In our experiment, our titrant, or also known as the standard solution, was sodium hydroxide. This was placed in a burette. Make sure you lower it to an eye level so you can slowly add your standard solution. In pouring the solution, make sure that no bubbles have been formed in the process. Then record the volume of your titrant, or also known as the initial volume. Slowly start releasing your titrant into your analyte. If you've noticed that a color change has occurred, go ahead and stop the flow of your titrant and record the final volume that is indicated on the burette. Slowly swirl the flask around as you're pouring down your titrant to ensure that a color change has occurred. Your initial volume for the second trial will be the final volume of the previous trial, and so for the third trial as well.